Ever wonder what the real secret language of Python is? Well, it's not some crazy complex algorithm. It's actually a small, core set of foundational, you might even say forbidden, words. These are the reserved keywords that make up the language's DNA. And today, we're going to unlock exactly what they are and why they are so darn powerful. Let's do this!
So let me ask you this right off the bat. Did you know there's a list of words in Python that are totally off limits for your variable names? These aren't just, friendly suggestions. They are the absolute unbreakable laws of the language. And by the end of this, you won't just know what they are, you'll get the crucial power each one of them holds.
These forbidden words? They're officially called keywords, and they're basically the grammar rules of Python. Just like in English, words like and or if have a very specific job, right? You wouldn't name your dog and. Well, same deal in Python. You just can't name a variable if. These keywords are the structural beams that give the entire language its logic.
Okay, to really get a handle on these, we're going to break them down into three main groups. First up, the keywords that direct the action. If your code is a story, think of these words as the verbs and the plot twists that drive everything forward, making things happen and forcing your program to make choices.
All right, so this first group is all about control flow. You've got for and while, which let you create these powerful loops to automate tasks. Then there's the legendary trio, if, elif, and else, which is how you make your code smart. Break and continue are like little traffic cops inside your loops. And pass. Well, pass is just a cool placeholder that tells Python, hey, I'll figure this part out later. Just keep moving.
So let's zoom in on those decision makers, starting with if. If is basically a fork in the road for your code. It asks a really simple true or false question. If the answer is true, the code goes down one path. If not, it just moves on. It's the most fundamental decision your program can possibly make.
But what if that first road is a dead end? That is exactly where elif, which is just short for else if, comes into play. This keyword lets you build a whole decision tree. It asks, okay, that first thing wasn't true, so how about this one? It lets you chain your logic together, creating all these different paths for your program to take.
And what if none of those paths work out? Well, that brings us to else, which is your ultimate safety net. If every single if and elif condition comes back false, the code inside the else block is guaranteed to run. It's the all other options failed, do this instead command.